I'm doing another video on my GoPro because it gives you a little bit different of an angle. I'm at the Mandalay Bay. My room's on the 30th floor. Room 3019. It's a little bit of a hike down the hallway. But I'll take you all the way with me. Here we are right here. Room 3019. It's got the hover the key over the thing, which I really like. Anyway, you got an entryway right here. And this is the room. Got some of my stuff laid out already. But I'll start off by showing you the dresser area. Desk. Pretty comfortable chair there. In here, you've got a refrigerator, which is stocked fully. Got a pretty good selection of stuff in there. It ought to get you through the night. I threw in a couple things of my own here. So I bought a beer earlier and I got a free shot with it, so who knows, I might even drink it. Pretty decent TV, desk, chairs, nightstand, couple different charging options. I got mine plugged into the charger on the clock. There's a plug in the lamp. I like when they do that so that we don't have to dig behind the deal. And this is the view. I got a view of the airport, which I don't mind because I'm making some hyperlapse videos of planes taking off and stuff. So that's cool for me. Nice mountain view. View of the pool. Pools. That's one thing I like about Mandalay Bay in the summertime. It's like February 15th right now, so not quite on the top floor, but pretty far up there. That's my view. That's my bed. King size. Very, very comfortable. I like the designs and the carpet too, actually. I didn't really show that in my last video, or my other video, but it's kind of a zebra stripe sort of design. Some drawers, trash can, actual wine glasses, which is a nice touch. A couple of closets. Safe. And the bathroom. Good sized tub. It's not a jacuzzi tub, but good size nonetheless. You can get some soaking done in that. Pretty good shower. Nice heavy doors. Pretty good floor. Doesn't look like you'll slip too easy on it. And that's the vanity. Dual sinks. Some glasses. I hate drinking out of plastic, actually. My crap loaded up over there in the corner. Throne room. I like it when the bathroom's got its own toilet room. Anyway, that's the Mandalay Bay. Life is good.